Hey everyone, welcome to your third week of distance learning. You guys are doing great. Thank you for your hard work and understandings as we evolve as teachers and as students and as parents. So if you are watching this video, you are on step one and you're right on track. Go you. This video is here to help you understand how I have organized your English language arts work for the next 3 weeks. The way you are going to be receiving your English language arts content is through a Google slideshow, and I'm going to show you where to find that. You are going to read step 2 and click on Google Classroom. I have linked it right here for you. As soon as you're in your Google Classroom, you are going to go to your homeroom, click on your homeroom, and find classwork at the top. Once you are under classwork, you're going to find English language arts topic, and right below your English language arts topic, you are going to find your ELA slideshow and assignment document. Now, I have embedded all of the English language arts content within this one slideshow. So once you have completed the whole slideshow, you are going to turn in one thing on Friday. So there are a bunch of little assignments embedded into this one document to help with the uploading, downloading chaos. So as soon as you click on your ELA slideshow, which should have your name in the front here, you are going to find a bunch of slides that have information on what we will be learning throughout the week. Now, I want to show you a few features I have within these slides. The first one that I want to show you is this guy. This little kind of like sound icon is a voice memo from me. When you click on it, you can press play and you can listen to me explain what you should be doing on this slide. I want you to click on any videos that are on the slide, read any of the information that you see there, and then move forward. You are going to find that I have labeled every single slide with the day of the week. Now, this is just for you to stay on track and to manage your time. If you do not want to follow my days of the week, that is completely okay. This is just a way for me to help you stay on track and complete your Google Slides by Friday. I've chunked it out for you for each day of the week. And again, sound bites, please listen to all of them to understand what you should be doing on each of the slides. And then I also have some links here. Make sure you're clicking around. Like here, I have a Kahoot game for you to practice your vocabulary words with. I also have our vocabulary routine all recorded for you to listen through to understand what each vocabulary word means. Okay, so click around and also know that you are going to have to complete some tasks within the slide. Right here it says write a complete sentence for each vocabulary word below. I've given you 8 blanks for you to type your response. When you turn these slides in on Friday, I am going to be looking for each of the slides to be completed and that you've done what I've asked. Now on some slides you aren't going to need to show any work. Like this slide in particular, I just gave you a visual of our book page for vocabulary words. So again, it's important to listen to those sound bites to know exactly what you need to do on each slide. As you move through these slides, you will find that we are working on many different things throughout the week. Readings. I also have some links here for this one. Clicking here to access the story. So I want to leave you with this And if you have any questions as you're moving through the week on your slideshow, please let me know by writing a comment in Google Classroom. I will also be scheduling some Zoom lessons or Zoom meetings to talk about some of the content that we are working on within the slide. So be on the lookout for those Zoom lessons. And again, if you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, really fast. Before I leave you, I want to show you one thing. If there's a time where you accidentally erase something, like, oops, oh my goodness, I don't know what I erased, I don't know what it said, maybe it was important for me to complete my assignment, I want you to take a look at this arrow at the top left corner. It says undo. As soon as you click that, you can retrieve what was lost. Okay, that's a really essential tool in Google Slides to help you keep track of things you accidentally might have deleted. Okay, so good luck, everyone. Again, reach out if you need anything. I hope this makes things a lot easier for us as we are working on our assignments.